Mm. Hello, hello. Am I audible? Oh, okay. So, is my screen getting stuck now? Are you able to see my screen? Okay, okay. See, so this is what we discussed. Okay, I know some people missed. Okay, our communication with front end and back end portion, and we discussed a little bit Express.js and why do we use frameworks and libraries. Okay, so I'll just share this so that you can actually, uh, follow along. So I'm sharing the Excalibur link. Just give me a moment. Okay. So I'm sharing my Excalibur link. Okay, in Q&A as well as in chat. Okay. Did you click on apply, Nimanapalli? If you are unable to, if you are facing problem, first Nimanapalli come to Q&A section. Okay. I'm going to Q&A section. Okay. And I'm sharing my Excalibur note there. Sir, please share YouTube live link because Zoho is using high data. Okay. No, it is not mandatory, Rizwana. Only learning path is mandatory. NASCOM certificate and IBM certificate are mandatory. Okay. The MongoDB certification is there is no deadline given to us. So, but IBM and NASCOM is a must. Is a must. It is very important. IBM certificate and NASCOM certificate. Okay. Attendance link. Okay. I'll share. So I have shared the Excalibur link. Okay, Bhargav Prasad and everyone. Okay. Wait, guys. I'll read. Just give me a moment. So Excalibur I have shared in Q&A section. Anyone who wants to look. Okay, and we will make the server before I share the attendance link. Okay, just give me a moment. I'll share the attendance link. Okay, guys. There is no attendance link today. Okay, because the in like training is almost over. Okay. So based on Zoho, today the attendance would be calculated because the YouTube guys, there were a lot of problems with YouTube streaming. So based on today's Zoho, registration, uh, attendance would be calculated. Okay. So based on Zoho, the attendance would be calculated. Okay. So I'll come to this Q&A section. Okay. Just give me a moment. Let me share my screen and let us return to our code a little bit. Okay, so what you do, see, in your local environment, there is no .com like ramesh.com or byju's.com, okay, or you know any other website like netflix.com Okay, we have local environment, and local environment runs on port 3000, port 4000, port 5000. When you deploy your application on cloud, okay, you will get a .com domain. But here we do not have a domain, so we will use a port number. So here I am using 5000. Okay, so I'm using 5000. So how to activate? Server dot listen. That's it. Server dot listen, and then it is asking for port number. So I'll write 5000 like this. Then I will write comma, and it will ask me for a host name. So I am giving a host name. You do what you do, you make a callback function after writing this number. Okay. So I'm writing this. Now what I will do, inside this I will open, and I will just write a console.log that server is running. That's it. Okay, it is very simple to make a server, okay, in Node.js alone. Okay, so we have not used any Express. Okay, this is pure Node.js, no Express used. What I have used, we have used HTTP module. What we have used? We have used HTTP module. We have used inbuilt HTTP module. Okay, clear? So let us run this. npm, not npm, sorry, node space app.js, node space app.js. See, I am getting server is running. Okay, but where I will see this message? Where I will see this message? This message I will see on 5000 port number. So the port number for 5000, the URL or our API would be http colon localhost colon 5000 like this. You can copy paste this in Chrome. See, hello from backend, but it is not intercepting the image. So I'll remove this image. So hello from backend. Okay. So I will just copy paste this. Okay. And I've pasted it here, and I'll just refresh. So again, I will just run it. Stop the server, run it again. I'll refresh. Hello from backend. Are you able to see your code in the browser? So see, my browser server has sent the data on this browser. Okay, server has sent the data on browser. Okay, so keep that in mind. Similarly, if you want to send anything, let's say if you want to send HTML code, you can send an HTML code. If you want to send JSON, you can send a JSON. Okay, here I've simply sent a text. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, this is how it is. This is how you can make a simple server. Okay, so let us jump back. Let us see how many people have done it. Can you give me a yes, guys, if you have done it? There is no attendance today, Paluri. There is no attendance today. Your attendance would be calculated based on Zoho. Okay, based on Zoho registration. Okay, apply button not working. Where? Smart interns. I didn't get credentials to log into smart interns. Write to teamsip@smartbit.com. Teamsip@smartbit.com, Badri. It has sent some code. Mm, Wait, what? Could you send me a screenshot in Q&A section, or just paste it in chat? Okay, show me the code. Okay, instead of terminal, show me the code once. 16. Show me the code screenshot. Code screenshot. Attendance today. No attendance today. Your attendance would be calculated based on Zoho registration. Okay. Show me your folder structure, Ragini. Show me your folder structure, the left hand side. This folder structure. Okay. Show me your folder structure, Ragini. There is some problem with path, I think. Sir, can't we complete our desired course? I think other courses are paid. Everything is correct. Invalid package configuration. Show me your packet.json once. Uh, yes, I got it. See, Sheikh, listen, bro, listen. Everything is correct. Everything is correct. You just have to change the starting package file name. Okay. See what I am doing. Go to packet.json and you will have this main key. You have to write app.js instead of index.js. Just do it and check. Sheikh, I am talking to you. See, main, okay, main, and instead of index.js, you write app.js. Instead of index.js, you have to write app.js in packet.json. Okay. Otherwise, Node will not see your app.js file. It will only see your index.js file. So please make sure there is app.js here written. Okay. Let me know. Let me go to Q&A section. Let me see in chat. Then I will go to Q&A. Correct, Anuradha. Anuradha is correct. Sir, I've registered AI, but I am getting webinar link and did you registered for AI first and then you are changing your track? Then you are changing your track. Okay. Send me your email ID. Who was it? Divyashri. Divyashri, what you do now? Like I'm team SIP at the rate. I think that is the name. Where it is? So where is team? Team SIP. Okay, Divyashri, you have to. Okay, I'm writing it down. Team SIP at the rate the smartbridge.com. Okay. Team SIP at the rate the smartbridge.com. You have to mail it to them regarding this. Arshad, there is no attendance today. You are not getting server is running. MERN, correct. Um, okay, Ragini, what you do? Uh, Write npm install and then run. First run npm install and then run. Okay, do an npm install and then run. Okay, do that. Okay, do that, and mentors would be helping out. Okay, I'll look into Q&A section a little bit later. Okay, so let us continue. Wait, where it is? Okay, so yeah, clear everyone. So now what we will do, we will not use this. Okay, we will not use this. Also, I will show you routes, like how we do routing. So let's say there is a URL like this. Okay, for let's say, I don't know, let's say right home. Okay, or let's say about section or something like that. Okay, so you have these types of URL. So you have this front slash home, front slash about. So whenever I hit this URL, okay, I should get home. I should go to home page. Whenever I hit this about, I should get the about page. Okay, should go to home page. Okay, and then should go to about page. Okay, clear? So how can we achieve it? Let us see. Okay, so if I say if, okay, if let's say what, I think rec dot, let me check. Yes, okay. So if request dot URL, okay, request dot URL, that means request coming from browser dot URL, the URL is equal to what? If request dot URL is equal to what? Let's say front slash uh, let's say home. Okay, front slash home. Okay, something like that. Okay, and then you will write a logic. Then you will write a logic. Then what will we see? Will be saying. Then what we will see? We'll see. Let's say I'll write here like this. So another type of response. Let's say response dot end. Welcome to our home page. Welcome to our home page. Okay, welcome to our home page, something like that. Okay, so something like that we can definitely do. Okay, so let us do something. Let us stop our server with control plus C, control key plus C to stop the server, control key plus C to stop the server. Okay, and then node app.js, enter. Now what I will do, I will write front slash home and press enter. See, I am getting welcome to our home page. Similarly for about, what I will do, same thing. Okay, if request dot URL is equal to about, so I'll write response dot end welcome to our about section, something like that. Okay, whatever, or you can write this is about section. So congratulations, you have already made a server Okay, you have made a server, proper server, which communicates with your front end. Okay, just like we did this. Okay, so our backend is now talking with our front end. So what I will do, I will write here about front slash about. So this is called as routes. Okay, these are called as routes. What are these called as? These are called as routes. Okay, so again I will run, refresh. This is about section. Let us go to home. Is it not coming? Okay, 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 got it. I should have used is else if. Okay, so let me put this here. Let me write else if. That would be better. So else if and then else. Okay, like this. So in else I will write um let's say response dot end for nor for not found. Okay, so any URL which is not made by me or you, okay, that will be 404 not found. So when you see 404 not found, that means the developer has not designed the route. Developer has not designed the route, and you will not be able to find it. Okay, let me refresh. Welcome to our home page. Okay, what about okay, wait, just give me a moment. I think there is some stream issue. Yeah, yeah, we should have used error catching also. So it is still like very premature. Okay, it is not mature enough. Uh, okay, it is still like not mature. Okay, the express we will be able to like handle our errors better, and it would be much more helpful. Okay, so that is why like it is getting error again and again. I have to run my server, so it is giving me this writable end error. So it will come. It will come because it is still a raw server. I have to write a lot of code to make my server work. Okay, and that is why like see it is still problematic. Okay, it is still problematic, and yeah. But don't worry. I'll just let me just remove this. I think now it will work if I comment this out. So I'll commit my line number 17. Then let me run it again, and let me just see. Still, this about section is working. Okay. This home section is also working. Nice. About is working. And what about home? This is also working. Okay, okay. For home, there is nothing, right? Okay. So whatever I will write after this route will go to 404 not found. Okay. Whatever, because this route is not defined now. This location is not defined. So they will never be able to find it. So let me make one for home also. So let me put another one, if statement, and let me make this one as else. Okay, and then I will copy this. Instead of home, let it be company, and let it be company. Okay, and here it would be request dot URL is equal to simple empty. Okay, so this one be simple empty. Okay, it would be simple empty. That means it is default, it is home. Okay, so you can do it just like that. Okay, and I have removed this just in case, and I'll again stop my server and again run. Let us check. So error is working. Now if I remove this, if I keep it empty, I will get home. Okay, if I write front slash about, I'm getting about. If I'm going home, or let's say company, welcome to our company page. And if I write something else, I'll get 404 not found. Are you guys also getting this? Are you getting outputs? There is no attendance link today. Aman Verma, okay. You are getting missing classes. Okay. Okay. See, for missing classes, I think I will raise that previous students' problem and others' problems would also be received. Okay. Nimnapalli application of voucher not on. Nimnapalli, what you do na? Like write a mail to. There is some step that you are doing wrong, most probably. Okay. So don't worry. Just write a mail to learn@mongodb.com. Okay. Just try to send them if it is not working. Okay, let me check the chat. What to do next? Uh, this is incorrect. Ah, okay, okay. You are searching for exam now. Okay, okay. You have to select this associate developer exam, but it will ask you for language Rasam Sethi. Okay, so it will ask you for exam. So what you do not search it like this. I have again said search it like this: MongoDB Node.js associate developer. MongoDB Node.js Associate Developer Certificate. You do it like this and select the first link. You do it like that. Okay. Okay. Are you guys able to follow along with the code? Anyone who is facing any problem or anything, you are getting error. If there is any doubt, please, Miss Pratiksha is also here. Okay. So if there is any doubts or anything, please let us know. Okay. See, who is this? Kishore. See, problem is there are two problems. Okay. One problem is you see this, you are writing HTTO, it should be HTTP. Okay. And in this sixth line, H should be small. Okay. Like see here. You see this H is small, it is HTTP, and here also H is small. Okay. Just try to correct it, and the rest of the code I think is correct. Okay. Sir, please explain the entire code. Okay. Okay, I'll explain it. Okay, so let us understand it a little bit more. What is happening? Okay, understand. Try to not working. Okay, so see what happens here first. Okay, what you have to understand, what is this response? What is this response? This response is you are sending it. Okay, you are sending it to the browser or front end, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so this is the data that you are sending. So you are sending this data. Okay, you are sending this data, and then you're sending this data and this data. Okay, so you're sending all of these data to the browser. Okay, so this request.url, meaning that on the browser you will have this routes. Okay, like these are called as routes. Okay, like about, okay, home, something like that. So this is called as routes. So these are called as routes. Okay, so based on the routes you will have the data. Okay, if you have front slash company, you will display this. Okay, this one you will display. If you have about, you will display this line. Okay, if you have home, you will display something else. Okay, so these are called as routes. Okay, this is your server URL. Okay, this is your API URL. Okay, just like in the doc photo we were using, we are using the same for this. Okay, and request is coming from where? Request is coming from browser. Okay, browser. Okay, coming from browser. And here this response is you are sending it to the browser. You are sending. Okay, you are sending. So you send the data from server. Sorry. Okay, you send the data. Send the data. Okay, send the data is response. Receive the data is request. Okay, clear? Understood this much? Right? Clear? Any problem? Anyone? Just give me a moment. I'll just close it down and see if you guys are understanding. Understood, everyone? Give me a thumbs up or yes or no if you understood what you're understanding. Just look here and understand this, that whatever these are called as routes. Okay, first thing is these are called as routes. Okay, these are like different coaches in a train. Okay, like there are different like I was using train example, right? So there is like different trains, right? The trains boxes are connected, coaches. So this is like S1 sleeper, S2 sleeper, this is B1 AC. Okay, so like let's say for S1, this is like addresses. This is like an address. Okay, these are like locations. Okay, these are like locations. Okay, just like your sleeper train. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, so I'll just quickly, you can take a screenshot. I'll count to 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then you can take a screenshot. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll clean it out. Okay, so we made a server. Okay, that actually talks. Okay, we made a server that actually talks with our browser, but we will not use HTTP modules. Okay, we will use Express. Okay, we will use Express. Okay, and in the Express part also, I have made it somewhat clear that I'll just okay, in Express part also try to understand. Just give me a moment. What is happening? Wait, what is happening, bro? Not undoing, why? Why is it getting like this? Why is it? There is some problem. Okay, I'll write it down later. Okay, there's this. I don't know why it's gone bad. Okay, let us understand more things. Okay, so why? So express is just like this. Okay, express is just like this. Okay, let me check if my screen is shared. Yeah. Okay. So in express, what happens? Okay. Same thing. Okay. There is nothing like very complex. Okay. So what you do, you use control A and just comment it out, control N, control front slash. Okay. And I will just put it out like this. And we will write the express code now. So this time what we will do, we will make the same thing. Okay. Same to same thing. Okay. In what? In Express.js. Okay, we'll make the same thing in Express.js. That's it. And you will only see the difference that, okay, it looks like that, but it is a little bit better. Okay. And when your application will be very large, it will be very hard for you to control that. So it is very simple. What you do, first step is you install. So npm install Express. Everyone install Express. npm space install Express. What is the command? npm space install, sorry, npm space install Express. Okay, this is the command. npm space install Express. And if you look into your packet.json, in dependencies, you will have Express after you have installed the Express. Okay, clear? So after installing done, okay, after installing done, what you have to do? Same stuff. You have to use the express. So const express is equal to require express, like this. Const express is equal to require express. So and then I will make an app using that express. So I will write express this. Okay. So this is how you start an express app. Okay, this is how you start an express app. Okay, let me make it like this. Okay, so this is how you do it. First you install Express and then you do this. Okay, first you install Express and then you do this. You create an Express server. Okay, and then you import the Express. import express, okay, and then you make a instantiate an app, okay, you instantiate an app. So everything is same, but this time you will see you don't have to do this this one. You don't have to do this request.url is equal to request.url is equal to front slash company request else if. No, you do not have to do all of this waste stuff. Okay, you do not have to do all these waste. Okay, you do not have to do all these things. These are very tiresome, and when your application becomes large, it is very hard for you to handle. So what we will do, I will simply write app dot what app dot let's say get, okay, and let's say uh, I'll write I don't know, idli maybe, okay, and then for this I will make a callback function like this. Sorry. So I'll make a callback function like this, okay, and you have to use front slash because it is a route, okay. So you can use anything, okay. I'll use this, okay, and let me make it one more, which is biryani. Okay, so this is your route, okay. So if you are confused, make a syntax, okay. So syntax is what? Syntax is like this, that first is what? First is um what? App dot, and then there is http method name. HTTP method name, okay. So there are like different methods we will discuss. There is get, post, put, delete, okay, and then you call it. Then there is your route name. Then there is your request response callback like this, okay. So this is your, this is like typical typical syntax of your express app, okay. And same thing you will write app dot listen like this, app dot listen like this, and you will write, let's say, 5000, which is your port number, comma, a callback function, okay, like server is running on port 5000, something like this, okay. And inside this, both of them should have request and response, okay. In short form, we will write rec res. So rec comma, see, it is telling me res, VS code, so I am writing res, okay. Clear, everyone? Now after doing this, okay, after doing this, after writing this, we will send something, we will send a response. So it is very simple. I'll just simply write res dot send. Previously it was end, now I'm using send, okay. So in the send, what I will write, uh idli is ready, something like that, okay. And here I will write res dot send biryani is ready, okay, not paradise biryani, okay. So these are the things that you have to understand. And where I will see it, where you will see it, you will see it in port 5000 only, okay. So let us run it, let us run it. Okay, so port is running on 5000, okay, everything is working. So this is your server, just like that, and it is much more cleaner. And in terms of security and middleware, there are tons of thing in the documentation which Node.js somewhat lacks. And although Node.js is very powerful, but still, a lot of abstraction has been done for the sake of simplicity. The code is much more cleaner. There are different request response handlers for different routes. Okay, different routes will have different this controller functions. Okay, and here what do you see, that request and response is common for every route. Okay, so that is one set of changes. So let us check. So I'll go to this again localhost 5000, and I will write idli. So idli is ready. Okay, nice. And then if I write biryani, biryani is ready. So everything is working fine. Okay. And regarding more stuff we will understand, let us jump back into this theoretical part which we somewhat missed. Okay. So what I was telling in Excalibur is facing some problems. See, I don't know why this lasso is keep on is again building again and again. Okay, so let us leave it here. Okay. Let me see any doubts and queries you have. Okay, guys. Okay, so Bhargav Prasad has some issue. Let me check. Okay. Read error. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. How is it getting connection error? Show me your Bhargav Prasad. Show me your app dot listen. Sorry, your server dot listen function. Like the last part of your code. Show me that, and show me that. Okay, like last part of the code. Maybe the port number is wrong or something else. Or all, and also show me your packet.json. Got it, got it. Uh, uh, there is for today some issue. You show me. Wait. Mm, Show me the last part of the code that I think your port number is different, Bhargav. Uh, there is a spelling mistake, Kishore. I think you have not imported Express correctly. See, it is telling Exores is not in registry. Check your packet.json once. Spelling is wrong. No, there is no attendance today. This is your atlas now. No, do not have to do anything. Vinnakota, what are you asking, Vinnakota? Mm, okay, seems okay. Yeah, everything is correct. Why do you have so many terminals? Just kill all those terminals. Maybe your uh, your server is already running in different terminal. So please just delete all these terminals, Bhargav Prasad, and then check once. Okay. Also, check dot app in main. In main key you have app.js. Just check, okay? But my advice would be to first kill all the terminals. Maybe the server is already running, okay, and it is clashing with your current terminal server, okay? Or, sorry, there is no attendance link. Uh, come take it. Just try to kill the server. Sorry, not server. Project guided sessions would start from Monday, okay? So you have received that a lot of students have not received the question paper, okay? Bhargav Prasad, can you share your screen? I'll just let me see. Allow to talk with video, make presenter. I think allowed. Oh, not presenter. Allowed to talk with video, I think. Bhargav, you can now speak, I think. Can you share your screen, Bhargav? Is there a screen sharing option, Bhargav? Sir, it is showing a wrong error. Bhargav, are you able to speak? I have allowed you to speak. Can you share your screen, Bhargav?
Sir, wait.
Okay. So Siddiqui, let me check. Um, sir, it error dot end
Sir,
not
now
working.
are you able to see my screen?
Wait. No, to let me make you a presenter. Okay, wait. I think. Try to share your screen. I'm not able to see.
Look. Sir, once check, sir. Are you able to see my screen now?
Yes. I am able to see. I am able to see. Siddiqui, I'll come to you. Show me your code.
Sir,
Okay. Go to the top once. Go to the top. Okay. Correct. See, line number 6, Bhargav. Parentheses, that rounded brackets. You have to write rec comma res.
what,
Request
sir?
and response. Rec comma res.
Okay.
REQ.
Okay, sir.
Uh,
Okay.
request and
In between
response.
parentheses, sir.
Yes. Comma.
Now
RES.
it is okay, sir.
And in number 9 also, correct. Save it and kind of save it and just open the terminal.
So
Okay, now just go to a URL, any browser, go to any browser tab.
yes, sir. Now it's working.
Hmm. Okay, na? Okay, okay. Okay, chalo good. And your Node app also was working, I think. Okay. Okay, now you
What,
can
sir?
your Node app is also like working. It's any problem in Node app? Node server, Node server.
No, sir. Nothing, sir. There
Okay,
is
okay.
nothing problem. No, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, then you can stop sharing. Okay, Bhargav.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, so let me come to Siddiqui. Siddiqui had some problem, I think. Is your result, Siddiqui? Uh, it's oh, wait. If you're getting 400 requests, that means that is server down. Okay. So server just time. Okay. So tomorrow we will try to connect our read with our server. Okay. And this Excalibur problem, I will resolve it. Okay. And I will send you the code. I hope everyone has the drive link code. Okay. Okay. I hope everyone has the drive link code. There is no attendance today. Uh, okay, guys. Okay. Okay. So yeah. Uh, I'll just stop today. Let me see if anyone has any issues. Ragini has some issue. Ragini, could you share your screen? Just give me a moment. You also share your screen. There are two Tummapalli Veera Ragini. Ragini, you can share your screen and also you can talk. Hello. Hello, Ragini. You can share your screen. There's a share screen option. You can share the screen and show me the code. There is some issue. Likhil, Likhil Venkat. Actually, today there is an issue. Okay, and they were not able to solve it. Okay, so that was the problem. Which certificates are more important, sir? Please tell me. Only NASCOM and IBM is like most important. IBM certificate and NASCOM certificate very important. Sanchi Patla, I have informed. Okay, around 50 students have not, I think, received a mail. So I have already informed. Uh, Ragini, you don't want to share screen? Okay. Maybe I should have asked you if you wanted to share your screen or not. Sorry. Okay, Bhargav is asking, sir, what is 5,000? Okay. We will cover this. NASCOM link, Bola Varapu, it is already there. Okay, I'll share the link. Wait. I'm pasting the link in chat box. Okay. Pasting the app share link in chat box. Okay. NASCOM link, sorry. I pasted it in chat and I'm pasting it in Q&A section also. Okay. So a lot of stuff, I have not covered. Okay, we will cover it tomorrow. Sai Lakshmi, I've already covered your problem. I have already noted down. Okay. Chat box is not opening. Okay. Excuse me, sir. Yes, Lavanya. Sir, what about attendance of people who could not attend the class? Uh, which class? YouTube. That is not a problem. If on Zoho they are not attending that, then that is a problem. So what is the last date to apply for NASCOM exam? As soon as possible. Okay. If you do not have NASCOM link, please make sure you have NASCOM link. Okay. So see today, tomorrow I will for doubts I will start the session a little bit early. So if you have any particular doubt, you can reach out tomorrow. So I'm closing the session. Okay, as of now. Okay, so thank you guys. Whatever that has been left out and that YouTube streaming problem also, we will do one revision again tomorrow. Okay, but you guys study the code. Okay, I hope everyone has the drive link. Just see the code in the drive link. Okay, and try to understand. We'll do a revision once again. Okay, and we'll also try to connect it with our React app. Okay, so thank you for your time, guys. I'm closing this session. Um, Give me a thumbs up or anything if you guys understood. Those who were facing problems, I am extremely sorry. The YouTube party, the YouTube guys, you were not able to see. Okay, and the Zoho people, I hope you guys understood a little bit. I try my best to clear the doubts also, as well as the stream. There are thousands of students, so understand if I miss out someone. Like, I am sorry, but I have noted down the three extreme major problems. One is that project mail you have not received. Second, you were facing IIC portal issue that has been resolved. Okay, so do these two things were the main part of the today's, right? So I will try to resolve these two things. Once, project mail, everyone should get the project mail. And second, 2 3 students, they were not able to uh, you know use their MongoDB coupon. So in the Q&A I have provided a email, learn@mongodb.com. You raise that query. Okay, you raise that query, and yesterday I've already shared it, shared my email ID. If you want, you can reach out to me also. So learn@mongodb.com, tell them you have a voucher. Okay, tell learn@mongodb.com I have shared the ID in Q&A section. Tell them that you have 100% discount voucher, but you are not able to buy it. 2 3 people have this problem. Try to resolve it. Tell me what did you get as a response from them. Okay, so bye guys, thank you for your time. Okay, and okay, we'll meet tomorrow. Today I'm closing it a little bit early. Okay, So thank you for your time, guys. If there is any topic or anything, I'll join 15-20 minutes early. Okay, tomorrow. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Bye, guys. Thank you for your time. Bye bye. Hope you guys understood something today. Backend engineering is actually hard and it is okay, but once you understand simple stuff, you will understand a lot of things. Okay. So bye, guys. Bye.